Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. This is going to be a serious video for those who have issues with their IELTS writing module. Those when they hold the pen, or those who hold the pen and they think for hours and hours and hours and ideas do not come to their mind, and as a result they fail to write good essays for IELTS. So if you are one of them, please sit back and relax and get ready to enjoy this video on IELTS writing. Well guys, as part of your preparation, I would advise you to read some sample essays from Cambridge IELTS books. Start from book number 18, 17, 16, 15. At the end of the book, they have given 4 sample essays and you should read them so that you get some idea. Number 1. Number 2, you need to make yourself familiar with the types of essays that we have. Now remember, topic, there can be any topic for essay writing. You cannot find the topic in advance, right? But the type of essay that you get in actual IELTS exam, yes, there are mainly 4 types and you can practice these 4 types and you can learn to develop your essay following one of these types. Okay, so let's just make a start with one of these types. First one and the most important one is opinion essay. Whenever they give you opinion essay, they ask for your opinion. They write how far do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Is this a positive or a negative development? Do you think advantages outweigh drawbacks? Or any other question where you have a feeling that they are asking me for my opinion, that is going to be an opinion essay. So whenever there is an opinion essay, you will write 5 paragraphs. First paragraph, introduction, 3 lines there. Line number 1, general sentence about the topic. Sentence number 2, elaborate the topic in your own words. Redefine the topic, paraphrase the topic. Sentence number 3, your thesis statement. In this essay, your thesis statement for opinion essay is, I strongly agree with this statement or I strongly disagree with this statement, and in this essay I will provide evidence for my agreement or for my disagreement. So this is the first paragraph of your opinion essay. Now you will write 2 body paragraphs to support your opinion. If you agree, why? If you disagree, why? 2 body paragraphs to support your opinion. And when you write a body paragraph, in each body paragraph you should write 4 sentences. Sentence number 1. Introduce your first argument, why you agree or why you disagree. Elaborate on that argument. Give a relevant example and conclude the argument. So there should be 4 sentences, and by the way, try to write compound sentences as much as possible. You may write 1 conditional, 2 compound and 1 complex sentence in each body paragraph. It's gonna be fantastic. This is how you will start, and then you will write another body paragraph. Second reason for agreement or disagreement, elaborate that. If you have a relevant example, give the example, otherwise further elaborate and then conclude. Now, for opinion essay, contrast is very important. If you agree, in contrast, you may write what you disagree with and what people disagree with. I mean, you agree going to a foreign country is okay, but some people say it's not okay. What do they think? Their opinion, their ideas, you will write them in contrast paragraph. And once you are done with the body of your essay, now you can come towards the conclusion. In conclusion, once again, you can restate your opinion, give executive summary of your 2 arguments, right? And in the light of that, you can conclude your essay. This is how you're going to write your opinion essay. Now, let's go on. After opinion essay, we have another essay type, and that essay type is very important. We call it discussion essay. What is a discussion essay? In discussion essay, they will always write this sentence. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So whenever you see discuss both views and give your own opinion, it is not an opinion essay, it is a discussion essay. In discussion essay, they will always give you two contrasting views, right? Some people prefer their own language. On the other hand, some people say it's a good idea to learn foreign languages. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So in a discussion essay, there are two opposite views, and then there is this punchline. Punchline for discussion essay is discuss both views and give your own opinion. In order to write this essay, you are going to write introduction. In introduction, a general sentence about the topic. Sentence number 1. Sentence number 2, elaborate the topic or reword the topic, and sentence number 3 is your thesis sentence. In this essay, I will discuss both sides of this argument or both sides of this topic before reaching a final conclusion, right? After that, discuss one side impartially, right? Sentence number 1, you can discuss first side, why you think it is good, right? Discuss second side, and then you can write your opinion. Now, what is your opinion? For example, if it is learning a foreign language or preferring your own language, so your opinion is, well, I think it's a good idea to learn a foreign language, but at the same time, one should prefer one's national language. Okay, something like that. So you need to write your opinion, and when you write your opinion, you're going to take sides with one of these two arguments, and in the light of that, you can write your conclusion. Well, let me tell you, good readers are good writers. People who become poet, they read poetry excessively. People who become playwright, they read plays, dramas, quite a lot or frequently. And people who write news articles, they read news articles frequently. So my point is, in order to write good essays, it's a good idea to read 5 good essays every day. Read the topic, understand the type of the essay, analyze all the paragraphs of the essay, paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, type of sentences which are written there, and try to reproduce something like that. I would advise you, if you want to overcome your fear of writing and if you want to excel in IELTS writing, read 5 essays a day, and one of these essays, one of them you need to rewrite. When you rewrite, don't just copy, don't just put that essay in front of you. Try to reproduce ideas, try to reproduce vocabulary, try to reproduce sentence structure, and you will be able to write excellent essays, I'm telling you, okay? Now, after discussion essay, the next important type is problem solution. It's an essay type where they're going to give you a problem and they will ask you the reasons of the problem and solution, or they will ask you the problems themselves, okay? And you need to write problems and their solutions, right? So this is called problem and solution, cause and solution, and all that. For this essay type, you can write introduction, general sentence about the topic, paraphrase the topic, and give your thesis sentence. Then problem number 1 with solution number 1. Problem number 2 with solution number 2, problem number 3 with solution number 3. If it is a cause and solution essay, then reason number 1 with solution number 1, reason number 2 with solution number 2, reason number 3 with solution number 3, and finally you can write conclusion. In conclusion, paraphrase the problem, give one sentence summary of all the reasons or problems, and give one sentence summary of all the solutions, and this is how you can conclude your essay. And in the end, you can write your overall solution. You can say the responsibility lies with the governments and local bodies, something like that, okay? So like this, you can write a problem solution essay. And finally, we've got advantages, disadvantages essay that is covered under the umbrella of opinion essay, because for advantages, disadvantages, they mostly give the topic, do you think advantages outweigh drawbacks? So that is an opinion essay. We follow the same pattern of opinion essay. Let me tell you again, if you read good essays, if you read them carefully, analytically, if you focus every question, if you focus first paragraph, every sentence, every word, and if you try to learn new words, new phrases, new groups of words, new sentences, and reproduce them in your essay, you will be able to improve your English, and that improved English will bring you band score 7, 8 or 9. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. We also offer IELTS single module preparation plan. For that, you can choose writing, listening, reading, speaking. Okay, we offer IELTS test booking service in Lahore in Pakistan, right? And we offer IELTS online classes all over the world and IELTS physical classes in Lahore, Pakistan. If you want to be the part of any of these things, you can contact us for that. And we also offer PTE online classes. Very recently we started them, so you can avail all these opportunities. All the best, guys. I also actually wish you best of luck with your IELTS preparation, because you know these tips and techniques will give you direction to take certain actions, and these actions will lead you to your desired outcome. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.